if I told you that becoming a crorepati, someone with 1 crore in wealth, isn't as far-fetched as it sounds? In fact, with just 25,000 a month and the right strategy, you could hit that milestone in just 14 years. Sounds exciting, right? Let's break down the smart way to fast-track your journey to 1 crore using disciplined investing. And no, it doesn't require lottery luck or a million rupee salary. So hi there, welcome to holisticinvestment.in, where we simplify the world of personal finance for individual investors like you. So in India, reaching 1 crore is more than just a number. It's a symbol of financial freedom. For many young professionals, it means the possibility of early retirement, funding a startup, or simply living life on your terms. But here's the catch. If you simply save 25,000 rupees a month in your bank account, it could take 35 years to reach 1 crore. Now ask yourself, can your lifestyle keep up with inflation for 35 years? Probably not. So instead of just saving harder, why not invest smarter? So let's look at a smarter route. Investing 25,000 rupees monthly in equity mutual funds. Why equities? Because over the long run, they have consistently outperformed other asset classes like fixed deposits, gold, or even real estate. Yes, there's market volatility, but with a 15-year time horizon, history shows that volatility tends to even out and returns compound beautifully. So here's the math. Suppose if you're investing 25,000 rupees in a monthly SIP, the expected return would be 12% annually. So we are going to be investing for 14 years with a total investment of 42 lakhs. So what would be your estimated corpus? It would be 1.03 crores. Yes, that's 61.38 lakhs in returns alone, just by staying consistent. So not everyone is comfortable giving 100% into equities, and that's completely valid. If you prefer a balance between growth, stability, and tax efficiency, then a diversified investment strategy might be a better fit. So here's a sample allocation using your 25,000 rupees monthly budget. So we are going to do a monthly contribution of 8,000 rupees in PPF, which is a public provident fund. So here the assumed rate of return, because the current rate is 7.1%. So with that, if we calculate, the corpus after 15 years would be 25.2 lakhs. So we get tax-free returns because this is a government-backed scheme. So you have that safety. But remember, PPF has a 15-year lock-in period. Next, we are going to do a monthly contribution of 10,000 rupees in equity mutual funds through SIP. So here the expected return is 12%. So our total investment would be 18 lakhs. But the corpus after 15 years would be 47.59 lakhs. So this adds the necessary growth engine to your portfolio. And next, finally, we are going to do a monthly contribution of 7,000 rupees in gold ETF. So the expected return is 10%. So the corpus after 15 years would be 28.11 lakh. So this acts as a hedge against inflation, and it is a great diversification tool. The combined corpus would be 25.2 lakhs plus 47.59 lakh plus 28.11 lakh would be 1 crore. Yes, that's the power of strategic asset allocation. And as Warren Buffett said, don't put all your eggs in one basket. So what is the final takeaway from this video? Do you still think the 1 crore goal is too big? It is actually a sum you can reach with clear planning and consistent effort. Whether you go all in on equities or diversify across PPF, gold, and mutual funds, what matters most is starting early and staying the course. As Sir John Templeton wisely said, the 4 most dangerous words in investing are: this time is different. Markets will rise and fall, but discipline, patience, and time in the market will always beat panic and guesswork. And remember John Bogle's golden advice: time is your friend, impulse is your enemy. So if you're serious about building wealth and hitting that 1 crore milestone, start now. Stick to your 25,000 rupees monthly plan. Let compounding do the rest. And if you want a personalized investment strategy that aligns with your income, risk appetite, and goals, click the link in the description to book your free consultation with a certified financial planner today. And if you like this video, hit subscribe for more smart money strategies every week. And if you got questions, Drop them in the comments and we would love to help. So here's to building wealth the smart way. Your Crorepati journey starts now. So until next time, thank you for watching.
Check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.